Wow, 1,000 subscribers? Thank you guys. What's good you guys? My name is Deep and today I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's been 4 months that I started being regular with this YouTube channel, and I'm very happy to tell you guys today that we have hit our first milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers, and it's all thanks to each and every one of you. Special thanks to my brother Jasmeet and Daniel from DJing Gear Vlogs, who helped me get started and who also gave me a shout out on his channel, which is DJing Gear Vlogs. He's a food blogger, but yeah, he helped me get started, and I hope that you guys continue to be my support in the future as well. Thank you so much. I know that having 1,000 subscribers is not a big deal when you compare this number with some of the other big YouTube channels, but having 1,000 subscribers is a big deal for me because this is one of the milestones that we YouTubers aim to achieve when we start our YouTube journey, and we have finally done that. You subscribing to my YouTube channel tells me that you guys are interested in the content, and it definitely motivates me to make more such content for you guys. Before we go ahead, let's open this box that I have in front of me and see what's inside it. What is this, you ask? Okay, let me explain. So YouTube happens to send a YouTube Creators Award for all the content that you make and upload on YouTube. And this just happens to be that. But hold on, this is not sent by YouTube. I actually happen to make this myself to just celebrate and to constantly remind me of my long-term goals. It'll help me remain focused so I can continue to make great content and upload it for you guys. So now that we are 1,000 subscribers strong, I wanted to ask you guys for suggestions and some ideas for my YouTube channel. It would be nice if you can simply comment in the comment section below and tell me what is it that you guys would like to watch. What is it that you would like me to teach you? What tutorials would you like me to make? Or if you have any suggestions, or if you simply just want to give me some feedback about my videos, if you like something or if you don't like something, if there's something that I can improve on, or if there's something that I should try to do more often, anything, it'll be nice if you can simply comment in the comment section below and tell me all of that, because I read all of my comments. All this because I want to make stuff that you guys would like to watch. Thank you once again for subscribing, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Woohoo!